Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over the curbside pickup feature. So I'm going to go to pickup order, and I have an option for curbside here. I already pre-selected everything. If you don't have curbside turned on, please go see my video on how to turn that on. Now I've already added an item here. I'm going to go to checkout. I do have upselling turned on, so please see my video on upselling if you want to know more about that. Select a beverage here, add it to order, and then I'm going to go to the checkout. You have to type in user information here. Okay, now I just put basic user information in, and I'm going to choose to pay in person. This is also an optional thing. Please see my other videos for that on payment methods for online ordering. And then we're going to place order, and we're going to hit submit. Now it gives us our order breakdown, what time we can pick it up. Now let's see what that looks like on the point of sale. Okay, now you can see here that the pickup order showed up in online orders, which is the correct room, and it gave us a little 1 indicator down there. So here's the ticket. We can see that it was for Jane Doe. So we can select that ticket. It takes us straight to the info screen. So we can see the customer information here, phone number, name, email, and we can see the vehicle information. Now, if you're curious what the kitchen sees on the kitchen ticket, they would see something like this. They would see the guest information and the vehicle information. And that is all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.